What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Simplified Finance channel, and today we're diving into the world of digital banking na nagbibigay ng matataas na interest dito sa Pilipinas. Ang dami ng options ngayon, so we're here to help you compare some of the top digital banks like GCash, MayaBank, Tonic Bank, Como Bank, GoTime, Union Digital Bank, Uno Digital Bank, C-Bank, Overseas Filipino Bank, RCBC Discardec, and OwnBank. Marami pang iba pero baka di na tayo matapos, kaya let's go! By the way, I'll be sharing you one secret trick na ginagawa ng mga karamihan ng rich buddies natin. Just keep watching. O siya, let's get started! Let's start with interest rates. One of the most important factors when choosing a bank. Alam naman natin yung mga traditional banks ngayon are less than 1%. If not, commonly yan is 0.25%. Yung tipong 10,000 mo, ilang piso lang po ang kinikita buwan-buwan. Kaya sa digital banks, it's a good option for you to actually earn more in the long run. Let's start with GSave or GCash. It offers a 2.6% per annum with daily interest payouts through its partnership with CIMB Bank. Meron din tayong tinatawag na Tonic Bank, yung kulay purple, known for its high rates up to 6% per annum for time deposits and still daily interest po ang pag-payout niyan. They also have Como Bank or yung East-West Bank provides 2.5% interest per annum with daily payouts. If you've noticed, meron din sila Gokongwei yan or yung GoTime. It offers a 4% interest rate compounded daily. You've also seen Union Digital Bank, and this offers 3% for savings and up to 6% for time deposits. O di ba ang laki na kaagad ng interest rate nila? We also have Uno Digital Bank which provides 4.25 interest per annum with daily payouts. Meron din tayong C-Bank. It has a competitive rate of 4.5% per annum with daily interest rates. Overseas Filipino Bank, it offers 3% per annum and it's managed by Land Bank. There's also RCBC Discardec and it gives a rate of 3.25% per annum with easy account management. Ito yung mga favorite kong susunod na lagi ko rin ginagamit, which is MayaBank. It provides an interest rate of up to 6% per annum with daily interest payouts. OwnBank, bago rin to, and it offers an interest rate of up to 8% per annum. Meron nga pala tayong referral link for OwnBank dyan sa baba sa links below. Kindly check para kapag open po kayo and use my affiliate code for your own bonus. Next up, let's talk about the different fees of these digital banks. We all want to avoid hidden charges, so here's what each bank offers when it comes to transfers and ATM withdrawals. For GCash or GSave, for transfers to other banks, there's a fee of 15 pesos per transaction. There is actually a GCash card right now, and you can actually use that to pay for your expenses or withdraw from any ATM. Kaya usual ATM withdrawal fees will apply ng mga 18 pesos yan. Tonic Bank, there are no fees for transfers to other banks. Yung fee na lang yan siguro papasok sa bank. And ATM withdrawals are free at Tonic ATMs. Como, 10 peso fee for transfers to other banks. ATM withdrawals are free at your East-West ATMs. For GoTime, there are free transfers to other banks. ATM withdrawals are free at GoTime ATMs. For Union Digital Bank, there's a 10 peso fee for transfers and ATM withdrawals are free at Union Bank ATMs. Uno Digital Banks, it's free for transfers to other banks. For C-Bank, free transfers pa po yan to other banks. Meron lang siya limit per week. Overseas Filipino Bank, transfers to other banks cost 10 pesos and ATM withdrawals are free at Land Bank ATMs. Same with RCBC Discardec. Transfers to other banks have a 15 peso fee and ATM withdrawals are free at RCBC ATM. For MayaBank, meron din po siyang mga transaction fees. It costs up to 10 pesos per transaction. And the ATM withdrawals are free at Maya ATMs. But you can actually incur fees by actually withdrawing from the different ATM machines. OwnBank doesn't have their own ATM machines yet, but you can avail of their free transfers to different banks. Comment down below if you notice tumaas na ang kanilang mga transfer fees. Let's move on to ATM card availability. It's always a game changer if you can easily withdraw cash, and here's each bank's offer. For GCash, it offers a Visa card usable at BankNet affiliated ATMs. For Tonic Bank, it provides an ATM debit MasterCard which works at any ATM nationwide and globally. For Como, comes with an East-West Bank debit card withdrawable at East-West ATMs. For GoTime, it includes ATM card with no additional fees. For Union Digital Bank, you can use an ATM card at Union Bank. For C-Bank naman, provides an ATM card at no extra cost. Overseas Filipino Bank comes with an ATM card withdrawable at Land Bank ATMs. RCBC Discardtech includes an ATM card usable at RCBC ATMs nationwide. For Maya Bank, it provides an ATM card with no additional fee, pero meron din niyang nabibili yung mga tailor fit or yung mga gusto mong may mga design na cards. Oo nga pala, no, meron palang bagong Landers Maya credit card which is available in their Maya app. Pagkatingnan nyo po yung Maya app nyo, and when you avail of that, you get a free membership to Landers and you can actually use that cashback card, meaning bawat purchase po ninyo, merong cashback na rebate. Ayos, di ba? Check out nyo na lang yung terms sa kanilang app para alam nyo po yung mga details, ano po yung kailangan mangyari. For OwnBank, digital ATM card pa lang ang meron niya, wala pa po yung physical. Siyempre, chichika ko rin sa inyo, sino bang may-ari sa mga banks na ito? Some are independent, while the others are backed by big names, giving added trust and security. For GCash, it's partnered with CIMB Bank, one of the largest banks in Southeast Asia. For Tonic Bank, it's an independent digital bank focused on servicing Southeast Asian markets. FOMO is owned by East West Bank, a well-established bank in the Philippines. GoTime, a partnership between Time and the Gokongwei Group. Union Digital Bank. It's a subsidiary under the Union Bank, a traditional bank leader in the Philippines. Uno Digital Bank, an independent digital bank headquartered in the Philippines. C-Bank, it is owned by the C Group, which also owns Shopee and Garena. Overseas Filipino Bank, a subsidiary of Land Bank serving OFWs and their own families. RCBC Discardtech is a digital arm of RCBC, one of the top banks in the country. Maya Bank is owned by Voyager Innovations, a subsidiary of PLDT. And for OwnBank, it is actually owned by the Rural Bank of Cavite. Ma-observe po niyo, some of these banks are actually rebranded banks of rural banks. A complete comparison of interest rates, fees, ATM card availability, and ownership for the top digital banks will be posted in the screen. And ngayon, hinihintay mo ba yung secret trick? Here it is. Alam nyo naman na PDIC insured ang mga banks, di ba? So if you have more than 500,000 pesos in the bank and you want to earn more, mas maganda na maglagay ka ng 500,000 pesos sa digital bank kanya-kanya. Nang sa gadon, safe ang pera mo, and that means 500,000 kay Maya, 500,000 kay Uno, 500,000 kay OwnBank, 500,000 kay C-Bank, kung saan-saan man niyang digital bank at kung saan pa mataas ang interest rate para ma-take advantage natin ang mga rates that actually are higher than traditional banks. Another bonus tip you can actually do, in case may babayaran kang credit card tapos 1 month due pa siya and you have that cash available in your hands, you can actually put it in this high dividend yield or high interest yield digital banks. Pakitain mo muna, tsaka mo po bayaran ang iyong credit card bills. That way, you've maximized the earning potential of the money that's sitting in your bank before you actually use it to pay for your different bills. So there you have it. Choosing the right digital bank depends on your needs, whether it's higher interest, low fees, or convenience in withdrawing cash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which digital bank you're using and why. See you in the next video!